The reason that you are alive is because that inside of you the Creator lives. Because only the Creator, He is life itself. He is the one that is alive. And the life itself is being presented, is being reflected through you in your days, in your life. The Creator lives inside of us and among us. He fills you from within with the Holy Soul that gives life to all its surroundings. That's your physical body, that is your emotional body. The Creator, He is the life that is living. He is life itself, Chei HaChaim. And the Creator, that He is the source of life, is reflecting Himself inside our own bodies. And every one of us, we are beams of light. We are beams of light of the Creator Himself, and therefore we must keep the life goes on. This is why we are forbidden of killing. This is why we are forbidden of making abortions. This is why we are forbidden of using hard drugs that can kill a person, or to drive in a dangerous way, or to drink too much alcohol, or to do anything that will make life stop. This is why we're not allowed to be angry. This is why we're not allowed to be upset. This is why we're not allowed to hate another person. This is why we're not allowed to do anything that might stop life. Because life is the most precious and most important thing in the world. And we should maintain life and force life to reveal its qualities out to the world, to bloom and to shine, and to show its huge, gigantic variety of colors, the endless amounts of colors that can be seen in the creation. And every one of us, we are appointed on a certain section in the world, and in that section we are that gardener, we are that shepherd, we are that one that's supposed to maintain life, to make all the livings around us alive. So if you saw your neighbor in trouble, it's your responsibility to do something with him. If you can give him charity, that's wonderful. If you're not able, because your financials are also tight, you need to pray for his sake. Maybe you can talk to someone else. Maybe a third person will be able to help and to assist. If you saw something with your eyes, if you heard something with your ears, follow those hints that the Creator is hinting you. You should always take those simple signs and to understand that the hand of the godly supervision that is sending you to recognize and see certain things in life is the voice of the Creator that is revealing to you the purpose of your life, what you should do with your life, how you should maintain life, how you should protect life, how you should save lives, how you should create life.
יהודי, השם קורא לך, שתבוא